Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to create this comparison map using QGIS. So for this case we must download a plugin which name is MapSuite, and with that plugin we can create this amazing mm, comparison map using QGIS. So let's start our video. Okay, so for this case we will go to plugin, and inside plugin we have manage and install plugin. Inside manage and install plugin we will search for MapSwipe, and then we install this plugin. So for this case I have two data sets. Okay, one will be the DEM data, and we'll create a hillset of the DEM data and compare that with the existing Google satellite imagery. So for this case I have DEM data inside my folder. So I'll go with that folder inside my here. I have DEM data, and after that I will create a hillset of this DEM data. Sorry, this DEM data isn't showing. Okay, now it's showing. Okay, after this I will create a hillset of this DEM data, and then I'll run. Okay, after this hillset let me give the color to this hillset. So for this, okay, I don't need this data, so I'll remove this layer. After that, okay, go to hillset and then properties. Inside properties, let's change the render type to single band pseudo color. Okay, we'll use this color ramp, and then we'll change the mode to equal interval, and after that we'll apply. Okay, this is the instead of the team data, and after that I will add the background layer as Google satellite imagery. So we'll go to XYZ tile, and we have Google satellite imagery. So after that I will add this to our existing layers. So after that we have already installed the plugin MapSwipe. So after you install the plugin, you can see in the here in a toolbar you can see a MapSwipe tool. So click on this, and then let me click on this with like this, and then you can see you can change the orientation of this uh, map sweep tool. So in this way you can create the map sweep inside the QGIS. Okay, it helps in the comparison. Okay, you can use this map sweep tool in comparison between two time events. Okay, you can see the changes between between some features in time events. Okay, let me create another map sweep for the OpenStreetMap. I'll insert OpenStreetMap inside this layer, and then I'll change. Okay, see the OpenStreetMap with comparison with the team data. Okay, I can create comparison with Google Maps satellite also. Okay, in this way you can create the comparison map between two map layers. So this is how we can create the map sweep in QGIS. So thank you very much for watching. Okay, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.